Hey everyone, today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the Yunzii C98 Cake Meow wireless mechanical keyboard. Yunzii has been coming out with a lot of these lately and they haven't missed. This is a nearly full layout keyboard that's also very cute by design. We'll go into more detail later on in this video, but first let's unbox this guy. So this keyboard is unique by design for sure. I have never seen a keyboard like this before. They're mixing a lot of different textures on here. The case itself is plastic, but in the middle they have some sort of silicone material which mimics icing, which also doubles as a 360-degree transparent LED strip. They added a lot of details to this keyboard, such as this smiley face right here. The smiley face lights up, and it also acts as a charging indicator. Speaking of charging, this keyboard actually has 10,000 milliamps of battery, which is a lot and maybe the first. On their website, it states that it lasts for about 62 hours on the brightest light setting, or 34 whole days with the backlight off. So technically that means that you can go a whole month without charging your keyboard, which is kind of crazy if you ask me. It does seem like they put a lot of effort into making this keyboard look very fun. From the case details to the keycaps, it all looks very creative. My favorite part of this keyboard is the 360-degree LED strip because it's made in a way that I've never seen before. Because it's so unique, I did ask Yunzii if I can take apart this keyboard and they said no. They don't recommend it because apparently it's designed with clips that hold it together, and if you attempt to open it, you may damage certain parts. So do not open it. The stock keycaps match the keyboard very well already. They are MOA style keycaps, which make a very thocky sound when you're typing on them, but just because you can't take apart this keyboard doesn't mean you can't change the keycaps. So I do want to show you these new jelly keycaps by Yunzii. Jelly keycaps are the craze. So they came out with their own. They come in this white and a pink with a total of 113 keys per set. Just like everyone else, I am a big fan of jelly keycaps. I like the sound they produce and they look pretty cool too. Adding these to any keyboard really enhances the clean desktop look. They're going for $42-ish USD right now on their website, but you can also grab them from Amazon. Same goes for the keyboard itself. If you're interested in it, you can grab it from their website or you can get it from Amazon. I will link both these products in the description below. Not a surprise here, but the final product is pretty nice. Until I realized that it doesn't fit quite well on this keyboard, solely because the navigation keys are placed in a different spot than usual, which makes keys shorter than others, unfortunately, but it really only affected end, page down, and delete. If you are changing the keycaps, just make sure there are enough keys to compensate. So I moved these keys to the Yunzii AL65 Holo and they look amazing there. So I think with these keycaps, as long as the layout is kind of standard, then it should be fine. And the previous jelly keycaps I've tried were also 113 keys, so it would have happened with those as well. Anyway, we're near the end of the video, so I did include a sound test for the jelly keycaps on the C98 keyboard, just in case you are into that combo. Like I said, I will leave all the links in the description, and I'll see y'all next time.